Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another scrap room layout for you. Today I'm going to be mixing the kits. So I'm going to take the double shot, or the shots of life, the pattern paper add-on, the embellishment add-on, and mix them all together. What's great is they all coordinate with flavors of the month kits. So they all coordinate. I do plan on, so I have some adorable photos of my son in his cute little sailor hat, swinging, that I love. I love these photos. And then him touching the grass for the first time. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 photos. That's quite a few photos. We'll see if we'll use all of them. So I'm liking what I have left here of this Echo Park collection, but I really want to dig into this Doodlebug collection because it's just so cute and it goes so cute with my little bubby. So the Doodlebug, this is from the Shots of Life kit. This was the stuff that was in the Shots of Life kit for Doodlebug. I've used up pretty much everything from the other stuff except for I think Simple Story stickers and the washi tape, which I'm not going to get out because I'm not going to use them. But you can see that in the other layouts I did. So I do plan on using some of this. I don't know what, but some of it. They're so cute. So the stickers and that, maybe some of these pocket cards. It's leopard print on the other side. But let me show you what comes in the pattern paper add-on and the embellishment add-on. So for the pattern paper add-on, see if I have them in the right order here. You get you get 2 sheets from each collection, basically. So you get 2 from the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Lakeside. This one is the journal elements, which I normally sometimes I'm like, meh. I love that these are all different sizes. The journal elements usually are, they're not the 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards, or 6x4. 4x6 or 3x4 cards. They're usually fun things like this really long journaling spot. Love that. This one, like, I love the journaling elements. The other side are these cute mushrooms. And then you get Nature's Story. So this side is this beautiful wood grain with, it's almost like a printed, stamped, like old school onto a wood something. And then this gorgeous greenery side. We will not be playing with these today because they do not, they're very vintagey and very dark, and I want to go for bright, colorful, so pretty much all the other papers. So I'm going to set those ones aside. But in the pattern paper add-on, you get those. You get 2 Doodlebugs, so you get, and it's Seaside Summer is the collection. So this first one is called Beach Blanket. Love this. And this one is called Having a Ball. Nice polka dot, and then a lot of border strips. Oh, we could maybe use some of those. So I plan on using those today. And then also you get 2 of the Echo Park fall collection. They're all mixed up together. So this one is Gingham Gourds, because that's exactly what is on the other side, in this beautiful green on green. And then this one is Fall Fever Floral. That doesn't explain everything. So also, probably not using these today because more of fall, richer tones, but we're gonna mix for sure. So the Simple Stories and the Doodlebug together. So this is Simple Stories Into the Wild. This one's Oh Snap, and it's the crocodile. But it's also this beautiful green, which I love. And then Simple Stories Going on Safari. This must be an animal print, but I like it because it's not super obvious. And then this cute, yeah. So I think we're going to use some of those because there's some wood green in the Doodlebug. So that's what I like, that you can pull that brown in. And this green isn't the same, but it's pretty close. And there's like 8 different greens on here, so it doesn't really matter. And then we got this. So I'm going to play with that. And then let's look at the embellishments. So embellishments, then you just get more embellishments for all the flavors of the month kits, which why wouldn't you want more? So more is more is more. So what you get in the embellishment kit for September is this half a pack of the Echo Park enamel dots right there. I love me some enamel dots, and some beautiful colors, so we're going to keep those out. You get the Doodlebug 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Awesome. You get a half a pack of Simple Stories foam stickers, and this is going to vary on what you get. This is awesome. I might grab a couple of these because I like some of these arrows. Okay. And then you get a half a pack of Simple Stories bits and pieces from their little summer safari collection. So let's see what I got. And these are all going to vary. I want to get like a nice solid paper for you guys to see it on. So we might use some of these too. So I got some leaves. Oh, all these little, see, that goes really well. Some tabs. I like these little label flags. I like the roar. Ooh, this is cute. It's a map, a little journaling. That is adorable. Little layering. Just hanging. Oh, I love the little penguin. And the Stay Wild. I might use a bunch of that. We'll see. I do have some zoo pictures too that I can't wait to use that flavor of the month kit with. All right, so that's what I got, and that's going to vary in each embellishment kit. So that's all the things we're going to play with today. Ooh. It's also Scraptember, so I would like a very long title. That is the prompt for today. So I'm going to try and do a long title as well. And I wonder if we should use the Freaky Fast formula today. Maybe we will. I think I will get my photos trimmed down, see if I like how crowded it's going to look on a 12 by 12. And then if I decide to trim down and do the Freaky Fast format, I'll trim all those papers down and have them all set to go and ready. And then we will put the page together and embellish. All right, so let's get started. All right, you guys. So, not gonna lie, I struggled with this one a little, trying to mix the kits and do it in a way that I really liked. I had first cut this polka dot down and started matting it, and then I cut all the pieces for the Freaky Fast formula, and I just didn't like them on top of this polka dot. It was just too much. I still want to do the Freaky Fast formula, but I don't think we're doing it for this layout. And if I get to it and show it to you, because it's kind of mixing the kits as well, maybe I'll do that. But so far I just grabbed this ombre cardstock, so I decided to grab that from my stash and bring it in for matting, because I had already cut this polka dot down, thinking I was gonna mat it on something, and I couldn't find something good. So I did this, which very bright, very colorful polka dot, and then I did some tearing. I haven't done this in a while. Tearing and tucked little peekaboo, the sailing pattern, which on the back is the rainbow stripe, just because he's in a sailor hat. So what I did is I backed these two photos on the paper from the Simple Stories line, and then the back side is the alligators, and so I did this one on the back side of the alligator. So I've mixed the Doodlebug and the Simple Stories one quite a bit, because then this is Doodlebug, this is Simple Stories. I've mixed those quite a bit. Haven't got to bring in the Lake Life one or Echo Park much, but I think I'm going to do that more in embellishment. So I narrowed it down to these photos. What I'm going to do is then a lot of times I will have like a supporting, sometimes a smaller pocket page. So I'm going to journal about this. So I might grab one of the journaling cards from the Doodlebug and stick that in with this photo. And then I have this photo and then this part of this card. And then the back side will be, it's just these two photos of, I'm pretty sure it's green beans. So I will have to double check, but I'm pretty sure that's what he's eating. And then I can journal about that, and that's a separate story. But this way in my album, I still have those photos related because these are all the same day. But I can tell a little bit more about this, which is nice. Okay. Anyway, so this is what I've done so far. I just kind of built this, and it's supposed to be long title. So Yeah. I don't know where to put them. I'm really struggling with how I wanted to do this layout, and I don't like it. Do a little cluster down here, and a little cluster up there. So then I could bring in my arrows. I was gonna go up. Down. If you have one of your matte scrapers, they're great for lifting things up. There we go. Incorporate some of the quote-unquote sailing stuff. Just trying to add little stickers. I'm not adding as much as I'd like, so I'm not disappointed, but it's just not coming together the way I wanted it to. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Alright, I apologize. This is a completely different layout than what you were looking at because I just was not happy with my ability to mix the kits on the last one. So I went ahead and I had cut all the strips for the Freaky Fest formula, which were a 1x9, which I believe is this one, a 2x8, a 1 1/4 by 9 1/4, or this one maybe, a 1 1/2 by 9, or this one, a 1 1/2 by 8, a 1/2 by 11, which is the striped sticker, 1 by 5, and a 1 1/2 by 7. So I took all those strips of paper from all the different collections, stacked them up, staggered 3 other photos, found a really nice long title, and that is what I'm doing instead. So I apologize that you didn't see the process. Sometimes that happens. I just got stuck and I wanted something a little different than what was happening. So now, so technically, I mean, I have 2 layouts now that mix the kits. But this one is definitely more mixed, a lot more papers mixed together than the other one. Oh, and I have a lot of tape right there because I was gonna tape down something and I didn't. I gotta fix it. But this is my layout, you guys. I apologize for that confusion. But you got to see kind of a process of one and a magical pairing of another. So thank you so much for sticking through the one that wasn't working. And yeah, I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time. Bye.